Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video I'm going to show you how to log into PayPal for Business. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser of your choice in the web address bar, type in business.paypal.com and press enter. You'll end up in the login screen for PayPal typing your email or your mobile number in the first text box that is associated with your account. Now once you're done with it, head over to the next field and enter your password while entering your password. Make sure that you enter the correct one. In case you don't remember your password, you can click on this Forgot Password link beneath and follow the on-screen prompts to reset to a new password. You can double-check your password by clicking the Show link right next to the box. Finally, click the Login button and you'll be able to log into your PayPal for Business. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, as soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.